Hello, this is a short video on how to do restriction enzyme cloning using SeqBuilder Pro. SeqBuilder Pro just opened. I'm going to drag and drop my file in, and my intent is to capture an insert from this sequence and place it into a vector. The default view is showing the enzymes, displaying only the unique cutting enzymes. If that's not the case in your view, you can move over here to the scissors icon and choose unique sites. It's showing me exactly what I already have. What I would like to capture in an insert is these exons right here. Okay, so I'm going to find a cut site at the top. I'm going to find one at the bottom of this sequence view. If you already know what enzymes you're going to work with, you can select them at this point. I'm going to actually do a side-by-side comparison of the sequence with the vector. Here I'm going into File and moving down to Open Vector Catalog. And there's a number of vectors where the sequences are just included with the software. I'm going to go to Restriction, and let's choose this one. Double click, and I'm going to move that cartoon off to the side, rearrange my windows a little bit. Alright, so here I have a cartoon of my sequence. Let me just move this over a little bit. Don't need that window. So I just click that to make the first exon a little more visible to me. So I want to find a restriction enzyme above this to work with. I'm going to use XBA1 because I know there's one in both. And I'm going to continue down to the bottom here. I want to use a sequence down here. Let's use hint 3. So I'm going to shift click. I had that top one selected already. Shift click to select everything in between. I'm going to copy restriction insert from the cloning menu. Over here I want to kind of mimic the same process. So I want to select that XBA1, which I had at the top, and hint 3. Again, shift click. I have that section that will end up being excised out. I'm going to go up here to cloning again and paste restriction insert. So I've only used these two top options. This is a little data handling part. It's trying to figure out if I'm going to do some additional modifications. For a typical restriction digestion, you just want to fill that in, tell the software to fill it in. Click clone, and I get a new cartoon of my finished product. Here's my insert represented in red. You can see those exons I had chosen displayed on the side. And that's pretty much it. All right, thanks for watching.